The Curve Fit tool in Ibex provides a way to insert a curve into my drawing by fitting it to an existing contour. I can activate the Curve Fit tool from the ribbon, and when I do, my cursor changes to indicate I'm in Curve Fit mode. I can select 2 points on this contour, and when I do, a preview of a curve is shown that is fitted to this existing contour. And I can press Enter, and that curve is created. If I repeat that over here, the preview curve also has handles and points which allow me to manipulate it. And this isn't necessarily tied to the contour, so I have quite a bit of freedom here to manipulate or change how this curve is fitted, and I don't have to stick to the contour specifically if I want to embellish it a little bit. And then once again, press Enter to fit that curve. And then right-click to exit the tool. That's it for the Curve Fit tool in Ibex.